Here's another video on a Hunter fan where the lights do not work and the resistor needs to be removed. So what we need to do is loosen that one screw right there, take that screw out, and then there'll be a third one. You just loosen that one as well. Let me stop the fan there. Really a pretty easy fix. Put all your screws so you won't lose them. And then these ones you can just loosen. Kind of hard to hold it and the camera. Then unplug that. Then here it is. So the resistor, you'll have to cut these little bundles, but it's that pink wire. Okay, here we go. All right, so I took it off, and then here's that pink wire. And this is literally it. That's the resistor. So you just unplug it there and unplug it here and then plug those two together. So let me see if I can get it on camera here. So I'm unplugging the black one. So that's unplugged. Now I'm gonna unplug this one. That's unplugged, and then, so there's the resistor. And then you just plug these two together. So those are together. Then match this back up to that. And I wouldn't just let that hang there. I have before, and it has fell once prior. That would be my phone. Okay, got those locked in there. Still be best to tighten it. I'm definitely sorry about the crappy video. I'm also leaning over this table. It's kind of a pain. That's what happens when it's an occupied unit. And I'm putting this last screw in there. Sometimes I use an impact because it makes it a little faster, but definitely not necessary. All right. So we're done. Let's see if it works. Boom. Occasionally, when the resistor does go out, you'll have to replace the bulbs. Sometimes all three bulbs will blow at once, so that's a good indication of it. specifically on this Hunter fan, this Ridgefield fan. For some reason, this just happens quite often. Put about 100 in my apartments, and now when I install them, I'm taking that resistor out to start. Saves me a lot of work orders. Other than that, this is the second video I've done of this. First one probably came out a little bit better. Thank you very much.